Cooking Callise. Today's recipe is pizza. So when you go to Little Caesars and order crazy bread or crazy calzones, they always make you take marinara sauce. And if you say, I don't want the marinara sauce, the crazy bread is perfect the way it is, you're stuck getting charged for the marinara sauce whether you eat it or not. So I thought, what am I going to do with all this marinara sauce? And that's when I got an idea. I can make my own pizza with their marinara sauce. And when it's grocery shopping weekend, I just pick up toppings I like, pizza crust, some cheese. Also pick up these items to make it have a cheese crust. These are some of the items I use to make the pizza with. Spray the pan with a cooking spray, then roll out the dough on top, so it completely covers the pan and over the sides. Then you unwrap the cheese sticks and put it along the edges. Then you put the crust around the cheese sticks until it's completely covered. Use the fork around the edges to connect the dough to keep it around the cheese. And then you melt the butter and use the brush to put it on the crust. But you can also pour it onto the crust if you want. Then Parmesan cheese on top of the butter on the crust. Then you use a brush to spread the sauce all over the pizza. Then it's time to put the cheese on top of the sauce. Then it's time to add all of the toppings on top of the pizza. Then I like even more cheese on top of the toppings. And then it's time to cook the pizza. And when the edges are golden, it's done. This is such an easy meal to make.